Hey, this is Thailand Tom.
แอนสุพรรษาค่ะ
Sawadee
ส
krap.
วัสดีค่ะ
Today we're gonna do something really exciting.
Today วันนี้เราจะไปเก็บมะม่วงกันนะคะมะม่วงแก่แล้วเก็บมะม่วงมาบ่มให้สุกค่ะ
For the first time, we're gonna pick some of the mangosteens of our trees here. This is the first harvest.
ไปกันค่ะ
So tag along. Thailand Tom here. Yeah.
Something by them.
Not this one is not ready, but here, look at this.
Yeah?
These are ready, yellow and nice.
I think yes.
Yes, at least these two.
Can you put it? ลูกสวยเลยค่ะ สวยเลยค่ะ
Look very nice. This one here too, yeah?
This one have to wait, man.
Yeah.
Oh no, they be yellow already. Hey.
But these two, yeah? Come, Kitty.
Yes.
She run around like crazy. Hey, Kitty, wow. She just passed between your legs before when you walk. No, not this tree. You want me to carry and film at the same time? We can leave this here. We can leave it here.
No,
No? Okay, come. That one you have. I think you throw that away, my. Take it off and throw away. No, this tree not ready. Oh, here they're ready. Look. Small, but they're ready.
yes. Wow. This one, darling.
Yeah. Meow. I think this one ready too, dude. This, yes. Kitty. Kitty, come. 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 I see you. You see she hide in the tree. Kitty, what you eating? You find something nice, man. Okay. Oh, they're not ready. What happened to this tree? Huh? What happened to this tree? These are so big. They are.
You see, very nice.
Wait. No focus, okay.
Yes.
Very nice, so big.
Honey, see? พิกเจอร์หน่อย
Wait. Okay.
Okay.
This one too, look.
No, this one not ready.
But big.
Only this one.
Yeah, wow.
You see, they
Wow.
try to be yellow. Very big. What? Why you แงว You want to eat mangosteen? ลูกใหญ่นะคะ ตัวนี้พวกนั้นยังไม่สุกค่ะ เพราะว่ายังไม่แก่ดี เพราะว่าอันนี้เป็นชุด2ค่ะ ชุดแรกมีแค่ลูกเดียว เป็นแค่ลูกเดียวนะคะ แล้วทีนี้ก็พอที่เราจะเก็บแล้ว โอเค เราได้ลูกนึงค่ะ
Sway. Wow.
สวยไหมคะนี่คือมะม่วงของเราที่เราเก็บวันนี้นะคะ จะสุกแล้วค่ะเหลืองหมดแล้ว โอเคค่ะ ไปกัน
Kitty, Kitty, come. Come. You hear me? Come. Wow, full speed, very good. This is where you're hanging. Oh, look at this beautiful flower.